I just got most of these rocks washed up. And we do have a couple, you know, I didn't make it through that one because I could just see inside that. There was no way that that was gonna hollow out. It's pretty heavy. Lots of these are just pretty much like clear crystal. It's really neat looking. There's some quartz, I guess. White quartz. Then we got some good ones. Oh, this one's pretty nice. We got some good. Got some of these here. Let's see, I can probably zoom in. Okay, there we go. Some pretty basic, but this one's got quite a bit going on it. This one here. See, this one, it's got all kinds of big old crystals in there. Oh, I just like doing this stuff.